नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all the living, practicing Hindus from all over the world. All the Sarvanyapita Kartas, Yajamans, Manifestors, Sarvaparityagis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanidar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, Kailasas, Nityananda, Hindu University students and Paramashivoham participants. Today especially all my own extensions, Nityanandas. I am Nityananda participants, Nityananda Paramashivoham, Sarupya Mukti participants. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, 12th day of the Chittirai Brahmotsavam. Celebration in Sarvanyapitams all over the world. Parashakti Meenakshi is gracing in Sarva Alankara and Rajata Rishabha Vahanam. Today is Devendra Puja. Devendra does puja to Paramashiva and Parashakti in Madurai and gets liberated from the curses he received. Saba Vimochanam. So, Devendra Puja is the today's Leela. Paramashiva is gracing in Swarna Rishabha Vaganam with Parashakti. Parashakti Meenakshi is gracing in Rajata Rishabha Vahanam. Let's offer our worship to them first.
ॐ गौरीं वेदकदम्बकाननशुकीं शास्त्राटवीकेकिनीं वेदान्ताखिलधर्महेमनलिनी हंसीं शिवां शाम्भवीं ओंकाराम्बुजनीलमत्तमधुपां मन्ताम्रशाखाम्बिकां मीनाक्षीं मधुरेश्वरीं शुकधरां श्रीपाण्ड्यबालां भजे। अथ धूपः। ॐ धूरसि धूर्वधूर्वन्तं धूर्वतञ्योऽस्मान् ऊर्वयं वयं धूर्वामस्तं देवानामसि षष्टितमं पप्रितमं जुष्टतमं वह्नितमं देवहूतममसृतमसि हविर्भानं दृगंहस्वमात्वा आर्मित्रस्य त्वा चक्षुषा प्रेक्षेमाभिर्मा संविक्ता मात्वा हिंसम्। ॐ श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति मीनाक्षी देवी नमः। धूपमाघ्रापयामि। अथ दीपः। ॐ उद्दीप्य स्वजातवेदोपघ्नन्निरृतिं मम पशुगिश्च मह्यमावह जीवनं च दिशो दिश्च मानो हि गुंसि जातवेदो गामश्वं पुरुषं जगते अबिभ्रदग्न आगहि श्रिया मा परिपातय। ॐ श्री नित्यानन्देश्वरी पराशक्ति मीनाक्षी देवी नमः। एकहारती दीपं सन्दर्शयामि। अथ नैवेद्यम्। ॐ मधुवातारतायते मधुक्षरन्ति सिन्धवः माध्वीर्नः सन्तोषधीः मधुनक्तमुतोषसि मधुमत्पार्थकं रजः मधुद्यौरस्तु नः पिता मधुमान्नो वनस्पतिर्मधुमागम् अस्तु सूर्यः माध्वीर्गावो भवन्तु नः मधु 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 ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति मीनाक्षी देवी नमः। नानाविधानि नैवेद्यानि निवेदयामि। अथ नीराजनम्। ओम सर्वस्याप्यै सर्वस्य जित्यै सर्वमेव तेनाप्नोति सर्वं जयति। बहुग्वै बह्वश्वायै बह्वजाविकायै बहुव्रीहियवायै बहुमाशतिलायै बहुहिरण्यायै बहुहस्तिकायै बहुदातपुरुषायै रयिमत्यै पुष्टिमत्यै बहुराय स्फोटायै राजास्तु। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वरी पराशक्ति मीनाक्षी देवी नमः। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमः। सर्वोपचार पूजार्थे सर्वापराध क्षमापनार्थे समस्तमंगल प्राप्त्यर्थे च महामंगल नीराजनम रक्षान्धारयामि। सुतंग भंग जाह्नुजा सुधांशु खंड मौलये पतंग पंकजा सुहृत् कृपीटयोनि चक्षुषे भुजंग राजकुंडलाय पुण्यशाली बंधवे सदा नमः शिवाय ते सदा शिवाय शंभवे। अथ धूपः। ओम धूरसि धूर्वधूर्वन्तं धूर्वतयोऽस्मान् धूर्वतिं धूर्वयं वयं धूर्वामस्तं देवानामसितमं पप्रितमञ्जुष्टतमं वह्नितमं देवभूतममहृतमसि हविर्धारं त्रिसंहस्व माह्वार्मित्रस्य त्वा चक्षुषा प्रेक्षे मा भेर्मा संविक्ता मा त्वा हिंसुषम्। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव सोमसुंदरेश्वर स्वामिने नमो नमः। धूपमाघ्रापयामि। अथ दीपः। ओम दीप्य स्वजातवेदोपघ्ननिरृतिं मम पशुगिष्टमह्यमापः जीवनं च दिशो दिश मानो हि गुंसि जातवेदोगापुरुषं जगत् अबिभ्रदग्न आगहि श्रिया मा परिपातय। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव सोमसुंदरेश्वर स्वामिने नमो नमः। एकहारती दीपं संदर्शयामि। अथ नैवेद्यम्। ओम अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतवर्षिणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव सोमसुंदरेश्वर स्वामिने नमो। नानाविधानि नैवेद्यानि निवेदयामि। अथ नीराजनम्। ओम न तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकं नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतोऽयमग्निः तमेव भान्तम् अनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति। निरञ्जनाय विद्महे निराभासाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात्। सदाशिवाय विद्महे सहस्राक्षाय धीमहि तन्नः शिवः प्रचोदयात्। ओम श्री नित्यानंदेश्वर परमशिव सोमसुंदरेश्वर स्वामिने नमो नमः। सर्वदेव देवी स्वरूपाय भगवते श्री नित्यानंद परमशिवाय नमो नमः। सर्वोपचार पूजार्थे सर्वापराध क्षमापनार्थे समस्तमंगल प्राप्त्यर्थे च महामंगल नीराजनं संदर्शयामि। रक्षान्धारयामि।
Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Listen. Feeling connection with the Guru, experiencing oneness with the Guru is the most powerful blessing, most powerful happening can happen from this cosmos to you. Listen to this word. Parama Ashirvada. Ultimate blessing. ultimate blessing in the life is feeling connection with the Guru. The sincere feeling connection with the Guru. I tell you, I'll expand step by step. Why, how, what? Listen. Because my intense feeling connection with my Guru, his influence, impact, intensity on my being, even the worst persecutions, assassination attempts, character assassination, lawfare, if nothing could touch my inner space or make me shiver. Listen, the attacks on me is factual. I want to tell you one example. This Dravish gang, the anti-Hindu terrorists, and they are also racist terrorists. This gang, anti-Hindu terrorists, in India uses the Dravish as their mask. Listen carefully. This gang morphs a video against me, abusing me, to do the character assassination, and they air this video in all their medias. Understand? If you watch the documentary yesterday I shared, you will understand how thoroughly they control the media in India. This Dravish gang thoroughly controls the media in India. And they air this in the mainstream media cult, using the mainstream media cult. Actually, in India, the Dravish gang has a complete control over mainstream media cult and cinema and television, the entertainment industry cult. Through both the cults, they are airing, and funny thing, they file a false case of hurting Hindu sentiments on me. Funny thing, see, if they air this kind of a content about a supreme pontiff, religious leader in other religions, those religious people or that religious leader should file the case for hurting the religious sentiments on the people who spread this morphed video and lies. But this Dravish gang, before I could go for the legal remedy, before I could file or my disciples could file for hurting Hindus' religious sentiments by spreading all the morphed, abusive, false content, they filed hurting religious sentiment case on me, so that we are constantly on defense and we can't take the offense. And the Dravish gang and their ecosystem has a complete control over the whole India's media, police, and everything. That word everything means everything. I don't want to specifically say everything. Because they have a complete control over the whole ecosystem. They air the content abusing me, hurting the Hindu sentiments and hurting the sentiments of my disciples, devotees, everyone. And they file false case on me first, spreading the false content on me and spreading intense hatred. And filing a false case on me for saying that I hurt the sentiments of Hindus. The fellows who filed this FIR has brought worst shame on the whole Indian legal system. He is the black mark, brought shame on whole Indian legal system, brought so much shame on not just Tamil Nadu police, the whole Indian police. Because the Karnataka police was holding this FIR and arresting me based on this FIR. Funny fellows. Understand? Even though all these are factual, it is my strong feeling connection with my Guru kept me very stable. I tell you, life is extreme delusion. You realize that only after you waste whole life in delusions. Fortunately, my Guru's grace is a nectar, life positive, intense, intimate, powerful, life positive energy on me. It did not allow the life negative concepts, ideas, delusions to get into me. See, fundamentally, this Dravish gang, anti-Hindu terrorists, who has a complete control over the mass media cult and entertainment cult in whole India, all over India. This gang, first they wanted to kill me, eliminate completely. Don't think, how can they kill and get away with it? They have killed hundreds of people in the not just broad daylight, who are very important witnesses in big corruption cases in the nation. The national level attention was on those people. Those guys are killed and everything is just closed. You don't know the long arms this Dravish gang has on the Indian ecosystem in every level. First they wanted to kill. Till I am escaping from them and somehow keeping myself alive also, they do not want me to do this spiritual work. Reviving Sanatana Hindu Dharma. That is too much for them. Actually, if you watch the documentary yesterday I shared, you will understand how these anti-Hindu terrorists, they do all the crimes and they try to accuse me or the Sangha, so that we are constantly on defense and so much doubt is generated on us. You can see very clearly whether the 2010 or 2012 or 2013 or 2019 or the whole last 20-year persecution. You can see the same thread. They will create false content on me, vomit poison on me, hate speech on me, And then they will file the case on me saying that I am hurting the Hindu sentiments. The most funny thing, this Dravish gang has occupied all the properties, stolen all the properties of all the Adinams, major Adinams. When I was trying to revive some of these mutts and Adinams, they accused me of coming there for property. Hey, that properties of the mutts and Adinams are dedicated for Shaivism, for the work which I am doing. So I am coming there to revive. But these thieves, robbers, stealing all these properties and using it against Hinduism, the purpose for which that properties were dedicated. Listen carefully. Exactly the same mold. First, they create a marked video on me, spread it, vomit poison on me, and then they file a case on me that I hurt the religious sentiments of Hindus. Same way, all the mutts, Adinams, which I was trying to revive, pouring all the money, hard-earned money, donations from my disciples, my devotees, which I started pouring and reviving those ecosystems. See, those lands and properties were given by the kings and great philanthropists for preserving, propagating Hinduism. This Dravish gang, anti-Hindu terrorists, they grab all those properties, lands, everything and use it against Hinduism. When I go there to revive Hinduism, they say, oh, he's grabbing the properties of the mutts and Adinams and ashrams. Say, who is grabbing whose property? Constantly by spreading lies, hatred, keeping us defensive. See, the offense is the best defense, is their strategy. All these are facts. All these are facts. 1,400 hours of hate speech on me, telecasted in 4 years in Indian national channels. 1,400 hours of, I will not say the word defamatory. Even people who say here the defamatory word are subtly not realizing the truth. It is hate speech, poisonous content. I am telling you, even my own disciples don't realize the depth of the hatred and poisonous content. That's why they are using the word, polite word, defamatory content. No, it is poison, hate speech. Understand? Only after watching this documentary, Out of Shadows, I can very clearly see how they do all the crimes and accuse me. So I am constantly on defense and create so much controversy, hate speech. That international anti-Hindu terrorist gang, anti-Hindu mafia. Offense is the best form of defense, is their strategy. Go on offending. All these are facts. But my Guru's grace and my feeling connection with my Guru kept me so life positive. I did not get deluded even in one level. Understand? I did not get collapsed. That's a first success. Second, And listen, this is the most important. I did not get into war with them. Because even if I get into war with them, even if I win, I would have wasted my life. My life's purpose would have been failed. I can't afford that. I have to deliver what I am supposed to deliver. Even if I get into the war with them, even if I win, and I don't fulfill my mission, then they won the war. The anti-Hindu terrorists have won the war. They successfully diverted me. No, I can't afford. That is why I am telling you, the second success is that I did not get diverted and get into war with them. Understand? The strong, powerful, life positive and non-violent understandings my gurus have installed in me is responsible for not only I did not collapse due to their attack, I did not get into war with them and get diverted. The good news is Kalabhairava protected me. Kalabhairava is protecting me. I did not collapse in the anti-Hindu terrorists and anti-Guru Hindus cult. In their attack, I did not collapse is the good news. The great news is I did not even get into war with them and get diverted, lose focus on my mission and get diverted. No, I continued my mission. The more I am attacked and accused, I flared up and more integrated I became to my mission and started delivering what I am supposed to deliver to the humanity from Kailasa. That's the great news. The greatest news is, listen, my feeling connection and my strength of oneness with my Guru has only become stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger and strongest. Never ever questioned or doubted the protection of Paramashiva or Mahakala Bhairava or my Guru on me. That is the greatest news. Listen, 3. Good news. I did not collapse in the war by their attacks. Second, great news. I did not even get into war with them. I did not do the reaction. I did not get into war with them and get diverted from my mission. No. Actually, after they started attacking me left, right, center, I have delivered more things to the world, the spiritual revelations. I brought more from Kailasa and started sharing with the humanity. So did not get diverted, did not get deluded. That's a great news. Greatest news is my relationship with my Guru, my intensity with my Guru, my intimacy with my Guru, my oneness with my Guru only became more and more stronger and raised to a higher and higher frequency. Never ever doubt. The wedge of doubt got inserted between me and my Guru. Understand? worst thing in the life which can happen to any human being. Guru Shapa, Guru Droha, is not Guru getting incomplete with you, you getting incomplete with the Guru. Guru never gets incomplete with you. Not that Guru getting incomplete with you and cursing you, no. You getting incomplete with Guru and moving out. That is the worst Guru Shapa. Understand this. Not that Guru getting incomplete with you and cursing. You getting incomplete with Guru and moving out is the worst Guru Shapa. Guru Droha. I tell you, the greatest blessing is beyond all these attacks. All these attacks are facts. Beyond all these attacks, my feeling connection, my intensity, my intimacy, my strong oneness with my Guru, my sincerity, Shraddha towards my Guru, all this was only getting more and more intense and higher frequency. Never even for a second any doubt wedge got inserted between me and my Guru. Understand, this is the greatest blessing. For all these three blessings, the only reason is Sarvam ahimsayam dharmartham abhidhiyate. Mahabharata beautifully puts it in Shanti Parva, chapter 245, sloka number 18. All dharma is in this one principle, ahimsa. Jivitum yahasvayam sa ichet katam sonyam pragadayet. How can someone who wishes to live kill others? This is Shanti Parva 259, 22nd sloka. Listen. All these three great things happened in my life. I did not get destroyed by anti-Hindu terrorists and anti-Guru Hindu cult because of their multi-level attacks on me. That's the first blessing, boon I received, the good news. Second, I did not get into war with them, getting diverted from my mission of reviving Kailasa. That's the second greatest good thing happened. My sincerity, my integrity to all of you is more important than taking revenge or any justice for me. My Shraddha to my mission, reviving Kailasa, is more important for me than any revenge or justice for me. This is second great news. The greatest news is my feeling connection with my Guru only became more and more stronger and got strengthened. Because of that, I am getting the higher and higher level spiritual knowledge and products, jnana and vijnana from Kailasa. and sharing it with all of you. That's the greatest news. I tell you. For all these three, the only reason is Paramashiva has established me in ahimsa. Non-violent, non-agitating, neither violent and angry on me, nor violent and angry are people around me, nor violent and angry on life itself. I only became more and more protective of people. Even if I scream, I only scream about caring for the people. Hey, did you eat? Did you take Haritaki? Did you do yoga? Only for that I scream. I became more and more protective, loving, caring, expanding. I tell you, all the best things happened in my life because I was absolutely established in non-violence, ahimsa. No agitation, no reaction. See, this anti-Hindu terrorists, anti-Guru Hindu cult, they do not have a great vision for humanity. They do not have a purpose for humanity or anything great or higher for which they need to be sincere. They just want to destroy. It's more like a teenage kid's tantrum. Anything falls into the eyes, destroy. Demons, devils. I tell you, absolute life negative gang. They do not have any higher purpose. Even if I get into fight with them, it will be diverting me from my life positive contributions, reviving Kailasa, enlighten ecosystem which I am supposed to do, for which I am born. And even if I get diverted, that will be success for them and failure for us, which I can't afford. With the grace of Paramashiva and protection of Kalabhairava. Kalabhairava is protecting me so thoroughly from external enemies and internal enemies, both. An innermost enemy, violence. In all the levels, Kalabhairava is protecting me, that not only I did not get eliminated, I did not get diverted, I only got more and more sincere with Paramashiva, my Guru, and to my mission of reviving Kailasa, and started doing more tyaga, more sacrifice to bring all the best things from Kailasa and share it with all of you. I tell you, the greatest blessing I received from Paramashiva is most happiest charya, lifestyle. For example, if I decide today, Langanam Parama Aushadam, one day Paramashiva revealed to me, the medicine I am supposed to take, the Aushadam I am supposed to take. Langanam Parama Aushadam. Fasting is ultimate Aushada, alchemy, medicine. Understand, Aushadha is not simple word medicine. Aushadha should be translated as alchemy process product. So one day Paramashiva revealed to me, Langanam Parama Aushadam. For me, fasting is the ultimate alchemy process product medicine I should take. That's it. Immediately I declared, okay, fasting, no food. And I just forget about food. It's not that I have a fight. I want to eat and I control myself. Nothing. I just forget about the food. Over. Langanam Parama Aushadam. Over. Fasting, no food. Till he appeared again and revealed, yes, now enough, you can start taking liquids. I tell you, the moment I am convinced, I just go with it. Without any struggle, I don't even look back once. This lifestyle is the greatest blessing I received from my gurus. Whether it's a lifestyle or inside space, anything. Langanam Parama Aushadam, over. I will not look. Langanam Parama Aushadam means fasting is the ultimate alchemy medicine product for life. Not only I will do fasting, I will not even remember about food. Same way, if I am supposed to drop some people from my life, that's it. It's like a control delete, over. After that I will not even remember them. I will not remember their name. Understand? This great blessing and stability comes from intense feeling connection with the Guru. The sincerity to Guru makes you absolutely sincere to life positivity. See what I am? I am just extreme life positivity. In every situation, how can be life positive? How can be life positive? How can be life romantic, life loving, life intense, life sweet, life intimate, life passionate, life manifesting? In every moment, I will only look in that direction. I tell you. How, when I remember Arunagiri Yogeshwara, he puts a wide smile on my face. Same way, each one of you put a sweet white smile on me. Arunagiri Yogeshwara, for giving the best things. He puts wide smile on my face. All of you, for receiving the best things from me and celebrating this great sharing with me, you all put the same white smile on my face. Understand? Once Arunagiri Yogeshwara healed me, that time the kind of a joy he triggered in me, bliss he triggered in me, and the white smile he put in me, the same joy is triggered in me when I healed Peter Bloomfield. Because the kind of the oneness we both enjoy with each other. It's beyond any physical intimacy. Don't create scandal or rumor. Me and Peter Bloomfield enjoy a special relationship. It's a special connection beyond any physical relationship. It's more like a soulmate relationship. When I heal him, the same kind of a joy is triggered in me, and the white smile he puts in me. I tell you, for each one of you, for example, when I see Skandamata playing around in the video, the Nayana Diksha, she doesn't sit and listen to satsang. I only have to run around her holding and teach the satsang. Hey, listen. And she'll be running around all over. I will have to run around all the conscious states she's running and then teach the satsang for her. But she puts such wide smile on my face and triggers such joy in me. The same joy Arunagiri Yogeshwara triggers in me, Skandamata triggers. Skandamata throws physical tantrum. She will jump here, there, run around. Shiva Yoga throws mental tantrum. But both put same white smile in my face, and both trigger the same joy in me, like Arunagiri Yogeshwara. The kind of the joy Arunagiri Yogeshwara triggered in me when he was sharing and making me enlightened, manifest, and oneness. Same white smile is triggered in me when I am sharing this with all of you. Only thing, I had the fortune of physically being near Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Unfortunately, all of you guys, at least for now, do not have that fortune of physically being near me, but I know the feeling connection is such that I am with you, and you all know I am with you, and I know you are all with me. I tell you, this powerful oneness never got disturbed. See now, many of our Balasans, Gurukul kids, I have not met them almost for 2 years now. Almost 2 years. But the feeling connection is so strong. I can just call them, hey, Mahadeva is there. And that feeling connection is absolutely same. Most of them don't even feel that they are not physically seeing me or not seen me for 2 years. They only want that Swamiji should be safe and someday we should reach him and be with him. That's it. I have a beautiful cartoon. Please see this. Tantrums Explained. I want, or I will scream. And if I do what you want, I will still scream. Yeah, that is what I figured. You should imagine that small baby is all of you. In some level, physical, mental, conscious, physiological, psychological, some level. It's not that only Skandamata throws tantrums. Skandamata's mother also throws tantrum with me. Because she's also my daughter only. At different levels. Each one of you have, but I tell you guys, how Arunagiri Yogeshwara put a bright smile in me, triggered joy, same thing all of you do. I want all of you to know that. You are all never a load on me. You are all sweet smile on my heart. I am alive, doing what I need to do for all of you. Because I already received what I am supposed to receive from Kailasa. Then what for I am working whole day and night? For all of you. Understand? So all of you should know that you all put a very sweet smile on my face, just like my Guru Arunagiri Yogeshwara. And how much of joy he triggers in me, you all trigger in me. And sincerity, feeling connection with the Guru, as long as that is there, no one can touch you. Nothing can destroy your life. You will be absolutely life positive towards your goal and you will manifest it. You will be successful. I am most productive in my life, in my mission. You can see I am only 42 now. By the grace of Paramashiva and protection of Mahakala Bhairava, I already made Kailasa into reality. Kailasa is revived. We are a nation with multiple embassies and diplomatic relationships with multiple countries. It's all because of only one thing, established in ahimsa, non-violence. Absolute life positive. Go on contributing. Never get diverted by deluded demons and devils. They do not have the life's purpose. They do not have a vision for humanity. Their purpose is only to destroy themselves and others, suicidal and murderers. They are terrorists. Even if you get into war or fight with them, your life will be wasted. That's a lesson I learned from my gurus. Because of that, my life is absolutely life positive and productive. I don't get into any conflict. I don't get into war with them. I don't fight with them. I just ignore them and go on contributing what I am supposed to contribute. I want all of you to know this. I am so happy when you realize this truth. Yesterday, one of my kids told me, yes, I have some anger, vengeance with some people. But that is not going to help me to fulfill my life's goal. Immediately I was so happy. I had such wide smile on my face. Oh God, now I know she will be saved. She will manifest what she need to manifest in the life. She will be successful. When you understand your anger, vengeance, violence on others is not going to help you fulfill your life and manifest what you want, that's a greatest initiation, powerful cognition Paramashiva is blessing with you. Today, as part of I am Nityananda Paramashivoham, I am Nityananda Paramashiva, Nityananda Paramashivoham program, Sarubhya Mukti. I want all of you to chant Mahavagya for 21 minutes and let's heal the world not only from coronavirus, COVID-19, all other negativity, life negativity. Let's heal the world. Let's release intense healing energy from our consciousness to the whole world and protect, heal the world, and protect the world. Healing and non-violence, ahimsa and healing. I tell you, I am going to initiate all of you today. I am going to conduct this process. Before that, I want you to understand the importance of non-violence and feeling connection. I tell you, see, this is like a very powerful energy. See, some of the devotees whom I don't even mention here, but they have such a strong feeling connection with me, just by one touch or one word they utter to others, the other person feels connected so deeply with me. I'll tell you one incident. One of my devotee in Karnataka, Bangalore, Adira Suresh. I want to repeat the name once more, Adira Suresh. Only she knows. Her feeling connection with me is so strong. She spoke to some devotee who missed me for many years. And they just got connected and came back to Biddi, and they are now completely connected and they regained their oneness with me just by one touch of Adira Suresh. She is so strongly in oneness with me, the connection, her one touch reconnected the devotees who are years away from me. I tell you, Adira Suresh knows about whom I am talking. And I know, only we both know. But I want you all to know this much. Our feeling connection is so strong. And I tell you, Tirunavukarasar and his Tirunavukarasar's sister, Tilakavadi Ammayar. The Tilakavadi Ammayar was so strongly connected to Paramashiva. Her one touch brought Tirunavukarasar back from his delusions and diversion to Paramashiva, back. Same way, I have many kids where sister, brother, father, mother, sisters, all attached as a family connected to me. When one gets diverted or deluded, if the other one is very strong, powerfully connected to me, for example, brother gets deluded, but the sister is strongly connected to me, I know the powerful initiation from this sister, brother will come back. Same way, a sister gets diverted, but the other sister is strongly connected to me, or the brother is strongly connected to me. I know this guy, this sister or brother's initiation, touch will bring that person back to me. Understand? Your strong feeling connection, inspiration is a power by itself. Today, you will all manifest my feeling connection with my Guru Arunagiri Yogeshwara. In all of you, my sincerity to my Guru. In all of you. Come on. Essence of today's satsang. Sincerity and oneness with the Guru is the ultimate blessing. From the universe for our life. You can manifest wealth, health, happiness, relationship, fulfillment, finally, ultimately, enlightenment and Kailasa Padavi. Everything just with this one thing, sincerity to your Guru, feeling connection with the Guru. That's it. I'll continue to expand how the non-violence can be applied in every level. And you can manifest all the best things in the life, and that's the best strategy to stop the Hindu Holocaust. Now, all of you sit as I am Nityananda Paramashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashiva, myself, will manifest the intense oneness through all of you, all of us now. Sit straight, intensely chant Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Mahavagya in your Anandagandha, vibrate your whole body, mind, everything with Mahavagya. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashiva, myself will manifest all the best things. Guru Shraddha, sincerity to the Guru, and oneness in all of us. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ परमशिवोऽहम्। ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्। ॐ शिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्या I bless you all with Swarupa Samadhi, Sarubhya Mukti, and I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. Living and radiating the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness and Kailasa of Paramashiva, the eternal bliss. Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.